Okay. Morning. We're back. It's very cold. It's very, very cold. And really wet. I thought I was going to be rained off. Might still be rained off. The van's still got its character. Different characteristics though. Not a battery problem. Not a starter motor problem. Those are fixed. Long gone. But now we have... oh, I missed it now. What was it? Stop brake system failure. Something horrific. Which gives you a nice warm fuzzy feeling in the morning, doesn't it? Makes you think everything's going to be alright. Anyway, let's go. So, yeah, I thought I was going to be rained off because I'm working outside today. It's a HGV training school, just like a big yard. I went there, I went there last week to do some work, little repair, and then I'm going there today to fabricate a barrier for their reversing test. I think it is what it is. It's hammering it down today. Has been all night, is going to be all day and all next week apparently. Currently 2 degrees. But by fabricating in the back of the van, if I can squeeze it in, it's going to be a squash and a squeeze. There is a diesel heater in there. That's a new addition. It's only one of those cheap rubbish ones, but it does the trick. It's good. Heats the van up pretty quick. Oh, it's the old Rosas, isn't it? Nothing to see here. The van is in peak condition. Tyres good. Brakes good. Definitely not got a headlight out. The van, I don't think looks any different. Might do. You'll see the outside of the van at some stage. Got some beacons, professionally wired in, obviously. Well, what are you talking about? That, I don't see how that could have been done any better. So we've got our material at site. Welder in the back, diesel heater in the back, plastic end caps for the tube, just so I don't have to cap them. Paint I haven't got because I'm not going to be able to paint it today. I was going to go grab it this morning. But the most important thing to not forget, as you know, cup of tea. Oh, more roadworks. Look, oh, is my road open? I think my road's open. Yeah, my road is open. We're all good. It's all good. Everything's fine. I need to come down here. Not ideal, I wouldn't say. Right, just arrived. It's very wet, very muddy. Not going to be that much fun cutting up that material. I think it's in a world of mud. Wasn't the greatest place for me to put it down yesterday. Anyway, need to make a quick cutting list. I'll go switch on the diesel heater. That's what I'll do. I'll switch the diesel heater on because that's going to make life more pleasant. We like pleasant. Pleasant's good. For the record, this is what I was here to make. The customer sent me this photo from another training facility of some sort. Pretty simple. Box section framework. 2 lengths in between. Eventually painted once it stops raining. Right. This is what we're working with. It's not what you want. It's definitely not what you want, I can tell you that, but it has stopped raining. And that is a bit of a result. Here's the material. Obviously not much needed. Pretty wet, but the old oil seems to be doing its job. That's a nice cut. It's just brilliant. Here's the van. You haven't seen it for a while, have you? I mean, it's still the same. It's still pretty much identical as when you last saw it, I suspect, apart from a few bits on the inside. Sorry, still getting used to this little gimbal thing that I bought the other day. Nothing too drastic, I wouldn't say, in there. Anyway, let's get set up. I don't like to run the generator in here when I haven't got all the doors open, or at least the back doors, but that one's nice. The diesel heater ran out of diesel. I've got 3 little petrol engines in here now, so I don't forget to fill up with petrol ever, but whenever I fill up with diesel I always forget to fill the diesel heater. I turned it on earlier, like I said, 5 minutes later it cut out diesel. Still, at least it's not like 2 or 3 degrees, because that would be really right then. It's about to get very noisy, so I'm going to stick my little headphones in. He's a weird looking fella over there, bit dodge. Keep my eyes on him. What? Yeah, I'm going to stick my little headphones in, which are in the front, because we're going to have generator and saw running. Right, I did have it in mind to use both these steel plates. I've cut 4. I had it in mind to have 2 just on top of each other with some little stitch welds around it to go on the bottom of the base, which is roughly going to be around 15 kilograms. But I've just been over to the one that they've got here, which is basically just a box section upright with some bricks around the bottom. And the bricks don't get anywhere near 15 kilograms, and he said that it had to be light. So I'm now worried I might have overcooked the weight. So I think I'm just going to go for 1 bit of 10 mil per leg. Right, let's measure this puppy up. I don't think I want it central. I don't want it central. I reckon we can go, what, 150 in? No, maybe not. Let's go 200 in. 200. And it's 150 plate, so 75 is your centre. What's that? That's 50. So 50 mil either side. That is where our little box section fella is going to be. Yeah? You see the little locking pin is broken, so I can tighten it up, but as soon as you turn the grinder off it spins wildly out of control, threatening to kill everyone in the vicinity. So should probably fix that. definitely overkill for this little bar, but it was just within reach, and it's easy compared to other methods. I'd say that is not quite 90, not quite. I mean, it's pretty close, but not quite. That's bang on 90 now. Absolutely overdone. What an absolute plonker, right? Perfect. Now we just got to repeat that 4 times. Now, I haven't been given any dimensions of where those bars need to go, but I was told everything's not particularly critical. 100, 600. I'd say that's regulation, wouldn't you? And there you have it, kids. 2 stands with hooks. I'm really glad I didn't go for the second plate, actually, because it's more than heavy enough. Nice little flux-core puppies. Yeah, it's alright. Right, let's go ask the customer where he wants me to put them, shall we? Oh, we just put the end caps in. They're only little plastic numbers, but better than a kick in the teeth, eh? Yeah, it's good that way you trap all the moisture in there, let it really, you know, build up with rust on the inside. That's good. Well, there you have it, folks. It's not going to be staying there. It's going to go into the trailer for the moment, just to keep out the wet, and I'll be nipping back when it's dry. It's going to get a nice coat of yellow, and the top bars will have that. Yeah, it's nice. It's definitely nice today. Look at my poor van getting wet. Look at it. It's just yeah. Right. I'd say that's it. I didn't get as wet as I thought I would, definitely. It held out really well. I'm pretty chuffed with that. The way it was shaping up this morning anyway, I honestly thought I was going to get absolutely drenched. Electric shocks left, right and centre. Although for that purpose I do have about 50 different pairs of welding gloves. But still, the rest of your clothes are wet, you know, it's not great. Don't weld in the rain, don't do it. But we didn't weld in the rain. The van did well with its limited space. I've forgotten to close those cabinets again. Oh, bloody joking. We want to be driving a lorry through this yard. Jeez, little, hey. Whew. Right, let me close this. Brakes. Let me close this cabinet. Bloody hell! All I want to do is close the cabinet. I've got the van squeaking away at me, and I've got some bloke in a Land Rover up my arse with a caravan. Let's just get out the gate. I'll do it then. Oh, squeak! Oh, squeaky brakes and squeaky belt pulley, actually. It'll go, don't worry, it'll go. It doesn't stay on forever, but it usually gets a bit worse first. Here we go. There we go, it's gone. Squeaky brakes don't go away though. Cabinet, bloody keypads, honestly. About 50 gates. That guy in the caravan's not moving now, he's holding me up. I've never been sure of a caravan. I don't think I'd like a caravan, but I would like a camper at some point. Little camper van would be cool. I did contemplate buying a new van and turning this into a camper, but I can't do that. I couldn't do that to you, could I? No, my lovely little van. Mainly because I can't afford a new van. But no, I love my van. Okay, it's got one or two quirks. And by quirks, what we mean is lack of maintenance. Oh dear. Oh, what a moron I am. At some stage, I'll start looking after my van. Right, well, as it turns out, I didn't actually do an outro. I didn't say any kind of goodbye. I just stopped recording, so I'm obviously a bit rusty on the old YouTube malarkey. So I leave you with a picture of my cat's ball sack, or where the ball sack would have been had he have not had the chop as a kitten. It's horrible, that, isn't it? Poor guy. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.